Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Last year and last few months especially have been quite overwhelming for everyone on this planet. The speed with which the tech is advancing, nobody knows what is the future of any career, forget just about design. So I want to directly address the elephant in the room. If you are in school, confused about design career, or you are looking to switch to design after your graduation and don't know how design colleges, entrance exams or portfolios even work, or on the top of it, some of you even might have questions like, is there really a career in design? Will AI take away design job? Well, we have answers for you. Why don't you experience yourself in workshop? Do it and understand. We are bringing back our OLP program for design career. This year we are calling it OLP Club. Every week we run live sprints and workshops for free on design career, design stream, top colleges, entrance preparation and live creative projects you can actually work on. This year we bring in working professionals from the industry. We bring students currently studying at the best design colleges in the world, not just in India. Each sprint runs for 24 to 48 hours. You get live sessions, a project brief, and a community of others figuring out the same thing alongside you. We have been doing this OLP program for last 4 or 5 years now and try to stay consistent and honest while helping all of you understand design better. And already we have hosted 100 plus hours of live sessions on our YouTube channel and 50 plus tests on our platform. This year we want to make it more interactive and engaging. Join us this Saturday on Zoom to understand how this actually works. If you are serious about exploring design as a career, this is the easiest way to start. No fee, no fluff, just real guidance from real people in this AI era. You can find the registration link in the description below. See you in the workshop this Saturday.